In this video, we'll show you 6 ways to use hydrogen peroxide you need to know now. Disinfect metal bottles. Give your metal water bottles and tumblers a good cleaning with some hydrogen peroxide. Depending on bottle size, simply add 1/4 to half a cup of hydrogen peroxide to the bottle. Close the lid tight and shake well. Let it sit for approximately 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Toothbrush cleaner. Toothbrushes collect all kinds of bacteria. Easily disinfect them with some hydrogen peroxide. Place the brush heads directly into a mixture of half a cup of water and 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. Ensure the bristles are completely covered. Soak for 15 minutes, then rinse and air dry. Sprout healthy seeds. Hydrogen peroxide can help soften the seed coat to speed up germination and help develop healthier seeds. Soak seeds in a water and hydrogen peroxide mix using an 8:1 ratio. Here we're using half a cup of water and 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. We reuse pill boxes and bottle caps to help keep the seeds organized. Simply soak seeds for about 4 hours before planting. Clean and freshen musty towels. Use peroxide to restore freshness to towels that have taken on a musty smell. Simply add half a cup of hydrogen peroxide with enough water to fully submerge the towels. Swish around and let it soak for 15 to 20 minutes, then toss in the wash as normal. Sanitize your cutting board. Rid the bacteria that may be lurking in your wood and plastic cutting boards with a little hydrogen peroxide. Use equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water and place in a spray bottle. Spray directly onto the board and leave it for about 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly with hot water. Clean your cooler. Before storing away your cooler after that picnic or tailgate party, make sure you clean off all that dirt and grime. Disinfect that cooler quickly using hydrogen peroxide. Using a spray bottle, spray directly on the surface of the cooler and then wipe dry. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.